Part 3, we're going to talk about the breakup blueprint. Okay. So this breakup, this is where we start building, we stop complaining. You know what I'm saying? No more complaining about their rules, their platform, they not doing this, why this, they didn't move that feature. This is where we take back the power. So the solution isn't to rage quit and delete all your accounts. No. A successful breakup has to be strategic, calculated migration, a deliberate transfer of power from them to you. The whole philosophy is just two words: ownership first. So, look, you got to own the connection to your audience. That's it. Don't rent it. You got to own it. And in this digital world, the single most powerful permanent asset that you can own is an email list. It's an algorithm proof, it's platform independent. And if Instagram shuts down tomorrow, your list is still yours. An email address that is the digital key to your kingdom. And your first job is to start collecting them keys. Okay. So now we're going to talk about the migration. It's going to be a step-by-step plan. Okay. You got to get a step-by-step plan when you leave in abusive situations. You got to get a plan. That's just what it is. So we got to choose the moving truck, right? Got to get tactical. You know what I mean? Choose your ESP, which is your email service provider, but you need to build a bridge from their world to ours. And you want to guide your audience across it. So you get that digital moving truck, your email platform, your before you move it, you need a moving truck, right? So this is what we're going to see as your email service provider. So for 90% of creators starting out, my top recommendation would be Beehive. That's where I am using. Um, they have a huge free plan that lets you get up to 2,500 subscribers without paying. But unlike Substack, they don't take a 10% cut once you launch a paid newsletter. So once you start, making money, they're not going to take a cut. It's built for growth with tools like referral programs and an ad network. And it works as a newsletter, a blog, and a website all in one. Actually, even a podcast too. It's a perfect little all-in-one free startup situation. And because the situation is this, I'm trying to tell you, the gag is what's gagging the girls is the free part. On like when Instagram, Substack, all these free apps and profiles that let you build your audience for free, girl, that's a setup. Okay. So you know what I'm saying? Like what they say is what's this something free? Nothing free something. You know what I'm saying? Nothing free something. I know that's a saying. Um, so it's a perfect front door to create for your new business, basically. Now, Beehive is not the only game in town. There's other stuff that you can look at. There's ConvertKit, which is another powerhouse, especially if you need like complex automations for things like courses or sales funnels. Ghost, people have been telling you about Ghost. That's a great open source option if you're more technical and want a total control of the situation. The key is just to pick one of them. Don't get stuck in analysis paralysis. You don't want to just be, like stuck not making a decision. Beehive is a great start. Okay. So if you're already on a platform like Substack, your first move is to go into your dashboard, find your subscriber settings, and click Export CSV. You want to download that file and guard it like it's gold. Those your people. Okay. Now you just took your first step to freedom. Okay. Now we're going to talk about step 2. Now we're going to talk about the lead magnet, right? So you can't just put like, okay, join my newsletter, right? Your link in your bio and just hope for the best. You got to give people a compelling reason. You need to throw kind of like a housewarming party. You know what I'm saying? And the invitation is a valuable gift. They call this a lead magnet. Okay. A lead magnet is a free piece of content that you give somebody for their email address in exchange for their email address. I'm trying to bring this over here. Okay, so it's something that solves for a specific problem and gives them this immediate win. Simple is often better. Okay. So, like some ideas for some of y'all out there who are like fitness coaches, you can do a 1-page PDF, the 5-minute morning mobility routine. I could definitely use one of them. You know what I'm saying? Or if you're a financial advisor, a simple spreadsheet, like a budget template, that save you a $500 a month or something. I save $500 a month using this budget sheet. You know what I'm saying? Also, if you're like a marketing expert, right? And you're giving out a checklist, 10 things to check before you publish a blog post. You know what I'm saying? Like very simple stuff. If you're a media strategist, the like this situation, the Insta scam breakup checklist. You know what I'm saying? Like that's one of the things you can get when if you're a chef, a guide that's like 5 weeknight recipes that you can make under 20 minutes. Cause I need that because I like to cook, but I ain't got time all the time. So it just has to be genuinely useful. This is like your ethical bribe. You know what I'm saying? It's the first transaction in your new relationship with your audience. And it starts with delivering value. That's it. Because people follow you for a reason. Now, we're gonna start on the move. You know what I'm saying? Like with a 30-day goal. We're gonna do like a 30-day goal on the move. So now that you have your moving truck, which is your email service provider, whether you're using Beehive or all the different ones, and then your invitation, figure that out what you want. I might be able to help you figure that out. Now it's time to orchestrate your move. Now, this is not just like one post, it's a 30-day campaign. So for 30 days, all of your energy is going to go into one goal, and that's moving your people from your social follower list to your email list. This is something I'm going to be doing right now, that I'm starting right now. I'm starting my 30-day challenge today. So first, you're going to update your bio on every platform. It now goes directly to the landing page for your lead magnet. So that's what you need to do, is update the like link in bio, that kind of stuff. Update that with the link to sign up for your stuff. So I got to do that in a minute. So after I do this course and telling y'all what to do, I'm telling you, and I got to do this myself. Next, you got to create a campaign around the move. Okay. So you don't just say, I'm leaving Instagram. Okay. No, you don't have to announce the exodus like that. What you want to say is, I'm building something new and I want my audience to be a part of it. Frame it as like an exclusive invitation, exclusive opportunity. Okay. Your posts might sound like this. For the past 3 years on my Instagram, I've shared my best tips on makeup, but I want to go deeper. So I just created a free guide on makeup that isn't available anywhere else. Link in bio to get it right now. This is a whole new chapter, and my email community is getting everything first. You understand what I'm saying? Use stories with the link sticker. Make reels that tease the value inside the lead magnet. Go live and talk about why you're building a more direct connection. Train your audience that the real value is no longer going to be in the public feed. It's in the private inbox. That's what we doing. The revolution won't be televised on Meta. Be relentless for 30 days. Every piece of content should point to that link. Make it impossible for your followers to miss the message. The party is moving, and here's the invitation. Yeah, I mean,